as promised, I'm going to show you some wonderful, not just transition fabrics, but also trench coat fabrics. So this is a wool nylon, a wool lycra. It has stretch in one direction. It's a charcoal and it's a little bit of a pinstripe. Be beautiful with this. Be absolutely beautiful with this. Wouldn't that make a lovely little outfit? Oh, anyway, so these are all $19.99 today and tomorrow. So that charcoal, we start off with that. This is a wool acrylic. It's beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful for a cardigan. It is the coolest fabric. This is the right side. It's got all those weird things. I guess either side could be right side. Who's to tell you? You get to use the side that you think is right. But I just love that. This is a wool acrylic. It has stretch in both directions. Very pretty. This is a 100% viscose, and it's a crepe back satin. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful for a pair of slacks. Use the I wouldn't use the satin side for slacks. You could if it was dressy, but use this side for slacks. You could do a nice wide leg, or you could make a really beautiful blouse out of the shiny side. That would be really pretty also. This is a cotton poly. It's perfect for trench coat, pants, all kinds of things. It's khaki color. It's really good looking. I think both sides are usable. I don't even know which side you'd use. But this back side almost looks like a trench coat, on the outside, almost like a little waterproofing. It's very pretty. Then we have this sweater knit. This is kind of a camel color and cream. Black is the back, but it's got a wonderful selvage. If you could find a fun way to use that selvage, it'd be really pretty. This also is a wool acrylic. This then is 100% viscose. Is that beautiful? It'd be a beautiful trench coat. It's a woven. There's no stretch to it. It also is a crepe back satin, but what a beautiful pair of pants. The drape on this fabric is incredible. It'd be really, really beautiful. You could do a white blouse with it to really pop it. Do opposites. That would be your transition. But they're all $19.99 today and tomorrow only, though. Then they're going to go back up. All right. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.